You guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna create a wedding guest makeup look because tis the season of weddings. So a lot of weddings are coming up and a lot of you have requested this video, so I thought why not create two looks, one simple and one dark and like sultry, using only drugstore products. So I tried my best to look for products that were inexpensive and I tried to work it into this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy it. So let me know in the comment section down below which one is your favorite look. The links to all these products will be down below, so don't forget to check them out. Now without further ado, let's jump into the video.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna quickly jump into my foundation. So the first foundation and the best foundation of the drugstore is the Maybelline Fit Me. Like, I've been using this ever since the beginning of my channel, and this is such a brilliant, inexpensive, amazing foundation. This is perfect for normal to oily skin, so all of us can use it. It's got full coverage, you can build it up as well. It's not gonna look cakey. The best way wearing this foundation, I think, is a beauty sponge. You can also use a brush, doesn't really matter. But yeah, the finish of this is really flawless, like you can see. So I'm just gonna put this on my eyelids as well. Moving on to concealer, I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium. This is also a beautiful full coverage concealer. Now, if you have darkness going on underneath your eye and a lot of it, you can put 2 layers of this and it will not look cakey because it's such a beautiful formula. It just blends beautifully into the skin. Again, this is a product I have been using ever since I can remember. I'm sure most of us have been using this product because it's one of the best concealers in the drugstore department as of now. I'm just going to put a little bit more just to conceal the darkness in the inner corners. The combination of the foundation and concealer is perfect. To set my face or under eye, I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. This is in the shade light. And I'm just going to put that underneath my eye and set the rest of my face, and my base is set. For my brows, I'm going to take the Fashion Brow Duo Shaper by Maybelline, and the finish of this product is extremely natural. It is not that pigmented, so you have to really work at it to get the shape of your brow, which is also a good thing because brows can be intimidating. So I'm just going to fill in the front portion of my brow and basically look super natural, right? So for eyes, I decided I want to do something super natural. First, I'm going to take the Wet n Wild palette. The link to this will be down below. Don't remember the name. But I'm going to take that transition shade and I'm going to put it in my crease. And this is sort of starting off the eye look, and this is something I do everywhere and anywhere I go. So even as a wedding guest, I would literally do this every single time I went for a wedding. Like, just keep it only crease color all over the lid, and it looks so nice, guys. Trust me, it goes with any outfit as well. To intensify it, I'm going to take that darker transition shade and I'm going to put that on the outer corner. So this sort of brings in some dimension. It's not like flat. So I like putting a darker color on the outer corner. It really looks nice and smoky. I'm just intensifying the darker transition on the outer corner. And then I'm putting the same thing on my lower lash line as well to tie the look together. I love this look. It's one of my favorite looks because I do it all the time. I'm just blending it out, making sure there are no harsh lines, and then I'm taking that darker green color and I'm just going to put it as a liner with a tiny brush so it doesn't look harsh. Then I'm going to move on to mascara. I'm taking the Colossal mascara. This is waterproof again. And since you're like, you know, it's a wedding guest makeup, if you're going to tear up and stuff, you want to have waterproof mascara going on, okay? And then I'm just going to take the Master Contour palette, one of my favorite palettes, again by Maybelline. A lot of Maybelline products, but guys, trust me, these are like my best chosen products from the drugstore. I'm just going to warm my face up and contour my face very slightly. Can you see it gives such a beautiful finish. I'm going to take this Color Bar blush again. This is again such a good product, guys. I love how peachy and youthful my cheek looks. Brilliant blush. So yeah, I'm just going to put that all over and take it up to my contour as well, and then gonna take the same bronzing powder and contour my nose. Then for highlighter, I'm going to take the Maybelline Master Chrome, one of the best highlighters in the drugstore today. Trust me, this is such a beautiful highlighter for deeper skin tones as well. It's that golden yummy highlighter and it just looks stunning in pictures. For lipstick, I'm taking this shade called Lover. It's the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. And this is the final result. This is my simple, neutral, subdued look for everyone who is more like me, who loves to take it the simple route. I think this looks so beautiful, goes with every other outfit. Now moving on to the other makeup look. So I just took off my lip color and I'm gonna go in with that deeper green shade I used for my liner, and I'm just gonna put that on the outer corner to smoke it out. Now this is for those who like to go a little, you know, bold and look a little extra as a wedding guest. I'm just going to intensify the outer corners. Like you can see, it looks really sultry. I think that's the perfect word to use. And I'm just going to blend it into my crease as well. Then I'm going to take that transition shade, it's the deeper transition shade, and I'm just going to put that on the outer corner to blend everything. Moving on to that green once more, I'm going to put that on my lower lash line and I'm just going to smoke it out. Now you can definitely do a wing, but I'm going to stick to a kajal. I love a kajal any day. I'm going to take that Lakme Iconic Kajal in deep black, and then I'm going to move on to the Wet n Wild Catsuit liquid shadow. This is so beautiful, guys. Oh my god. And it's not like a burst of glitter, so you won't be intimidated. It's like this beautiful sheen on your lid and it looks stunning in pictures. You'll see the end result. It looks so good. It has become one of my favorite shadows, I guess. And you know, you can just use this in your car when you're rushing and you want to do like a day to night look. You can just tap that onto your lid and it looks stunning. I'm just using the brown color to intensify the outer corner one last time. And then I'm going to intensify my highlighter because it's the night time, and I'm just going to hit my cheekbone with a lot more master chrome because it looks so stunning. Then for lips, I'm going to take this brown chocolatey beautiful color called Protector. It is so stunning, especially for deeper skin tones. Oh my god, I think this will look good on any skin tone. It's that sort of a brown. It is so stunning, guys, and it stays the entire day. Trust me, I love this formula. And then I'm just going to hit my brow bone with the master chrome, and this just brings the look together. The brow bone highlight and inner corner. And that is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me know in the comment section down below which look was your favorite. I can't choose really because I really love this look as well. I love you guys so much. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah! Bye guys.